China's CATL to build $4.3 billion battery factory with Stellantis in European expansion. In a significant development for the electric vehicle (EV) industry, Chinese battery giant CATL, contemporary Amperex technology company Limited, has announced plans to build a $4.3 billion battery factory in Europe in partnership with Stellantis, one of the world's largest automotive groups. This new venture marks a major expansion for CATL in Europe, as it aims to strengthen its foothold in the rapidly growing EV market, while Stellantis moves closer to its electrification goals. The new factory is expected to significantly impact the European automotive landscape. Europe is one of the most important markets for electric vehicles, with governments across the continent introducing aggressive policies and incentives to support the shift from internal combustion engine (ICE) vehicles to electric models. The European Union has set a target to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050, and achieving this goal requires a massive transformation in the transportation sector. As the world continues to embrace clean energy and sustainable transportation, partnerships like the one between CATL and Stellantis